friends, good morning to all of you. Today I am here with Conservation of Plants and Animals Part 2 of 8th Standard, and in this session we are going to discuss Project Tiger, endangered animals, ecosystem, migration, recycling of paper and reforestation. So let us start the session. First, it is about Project Tiger. This Project Tiger was launched by government to protect the tigers in India, in our country. And the objective of this project was to take care of tiger and ensure their survival and maintenance of tiger population in our country. Now it is about endangered animals. Endangered animals are those animals whose numbers are decreasing day by day, and whenever we not care them, then they may extinct. So among the endangered animals, one is tiger, which are slowly decreasing their number. So as I have earlier told you, so to protect the tiger in our country, the government launched the Project Tiger for ensuring the survival of tiger population. As we have seen that dinosaurs become extinct a long time ago. Now, whatever the endangered animals are in our country or in anywhere, there is one book. That book is called as Red Data Book. So Red Data Book keep all the records of endangered plants and animals. Here it is about some endangered animals. Now the next topic is ecosystem. Ecosystem is the interaction between living and non-living organism. Meaning thereby is that ecosystem consists of two factors. One is the biotic factors and other is the abiotic factor. Biotic factor includes plants, animals, microorganisms, and they are living, whereas abiotic factors include non-living components such as climate, water, soil, river, deltas, etc. So, ecosystem includes both living as well as non-living component. Now the next is migration. Migration means movement. So animals, plant cannot move, but animals can move from their own habitat to some other habitat for a particular period of time only. And every year at this period of time they move. Why? Some move for laying eggs or some move due to the climate changes. Why? Because the weather where they are living, that is not suitable for them. So that weather is not suitable, it is inhospitable for them, it is very cold, so they move to another places. Birds which fly very long distances to reach another land, they are called as migratory birds. Here these are the few examples of migratory birds. Here also it is the migratory birds of Pakistan. Heron, pintail, geese, Hoveria bustard, crane, flamingo. Now next topic is about recycling of paper. To produce 1 ton of paper, about 17 full-grown trees are required. And this paper can be recycled about 5 to 7 times for use. So we should save, reuse, recycle paper to save not only trees but also to save energy, to save water, to save harmful chemicals which are used to make the paper. Here you can see how paper is recycled. They can be recycled for the use of letter pad, cartoon, then that paper, newspaper, like that. Now, the last topic of today's session is reforestation. Reforestation means those forests which are already destroyed, we will plant their new trees. So, reforestation is the restocking of destroyed forest by planting new trees. And the planted trees should be generally of same species which were earlier found in that forest. We should plant at least as many as tree as we cut. Reforestation can also be taking place naturally if the deforested area is left undisturbed. Then the new plants grow automatically. We have already caused a lot of damage to our forest. So it is our duty to preserve them. We have to regain our green wealth for further future generation. So there is only plantation of more tree is the option for making our earth green. In India, we have Forest Conservation Act also, which aimed at preservation and conservation of natural forest. Some NGOs are also involving in preserving and conserving the forest so that basic needs of the people living in or near the forest also get. Here you can see that reforestation is done. This is a very good picture. Here you can see that in 2001 the land was not covered with any plants. But here the reforestation is done, and by the end of 2019 the whole area become green. So it is your duty to plant at least one plant on your birthday. So with this quote I want to end the session. Thank you. For any kind of doubts, please write your question in comment section.